Steve Horseman here with the Springfield Armory Saint. The drill I'm going to show you guys today is what I call the 5 and 3 drill. Essentially, you're going to fire 5 rounds in three different shooting positions. Start standing, move into a kneeling, then finish off in a prone. I time myself, and you can do this at various distances. So let's take a run at this and we'll see kind of what my time is, and we'll talk about it at the very end, okay? So let's get started. So just like that. One of the things I like to do is I can vary this up. I started at 25 yards, get myself a baseline time. I can move back to 50 yards, kind of shoot within my skill level. Then I can even take it back to 100 yards. One of the things I like to do though is I try to push myself, but I don't want to have any of the shots outside of the 8-inch circle on an IDPA target. You can get those IDPA targets anywhere. I like the good 8-inch circle. Gives me a realistic point to aim at. It's a generous scoring zone. Just for reference, my time on that one, guys, was the time was a 15:35. So if I really start pushing it, I can get it down to the 12. You know, Rob probably maybe a 14, but I think I can do it in 12. So give it a shot and see how you do.